I've just finished at Sheena Wyatt's KAPOW workshop up here in Lincoln, and Sheena talks about personal brand, and she spends all day working with people on building their personal brand, and it's so important. I really recommend you get here. What you'll end up with at the end of the day is a really clear idea of what your personal brand should look like. Coming from you, this doesn't come from Sheena. She helps you build it and understand what it should look like. But more importantly than that, what you do with it once you know what it is. That is how you take your personal brand and make sure that people notice it and notice you. This isn't about what you wear. This is about how you present. This is what people think of you. This is what people are saying about you when you're out of the room, and how you positively influence that for the benefit of your business. Sheena Wyatt is the expert at this stuff. I'm really thrilled that I get up to come and co-present, to present a bit about networking. But get yourself booked onto the KAPOW workshop. Sheena's got dates for the whole of the rest of 2017 and 2018, so get yourself booked in.